Not your arm.
Yeah, that will be.
What? I've got leftovers to share.
Right. Alright, Adam. Wait, Adam's. I think it was with the tea.
What?
What? Okay.
Sharing?
Yeah. Just a loaf of bread.
Yeah.
That sounds wait, that sounds like Nemo. Ah, my ears.
Ha What?
Money.
What?
Make it sound like the alarms from Charlotte. Wait, Money. Make it sound like the alarms from Bed Street School, the medium low ones. Money.
What?
Make it sound like it. Money, Money.
What?
Make the alarms sound like the ones that we had in Bed Street School. You know, it goes. Money.
What?
Money, make it sound like the Bed Street School.
Why am I pressing the Y or whatever that is?
Don't worry, it'll go using sports cars, but I was too young to have a license, so I couldn't even drive them. That was another weird thing that I did. 3 or 4 months went by. One day, my partner called me in for a meeting. He said our sales were falling very quickly. The dog umbrella was easy to imitate, so we had a lot of competition now. Business was great when ours was the only one on the market, but not anymore. If we didn't do something,
Jakey said do it Ajian because at end it was corrupt.
If we didn't do something, we'd go bankrupt. We eat more. If we didn't do something, we'd go bankrupt. We immediately do something, we'd go bankrupt. We immediately product ideas. For example, we made a raincoat.
You do it!
Didn't sell. I really thought
Oh no!
thousands of raincoats that we couldn't sell, so we lost a lot of money.
Now, Ronnie, please down. Ronnie, down. It hurts my ears.
The worst thing happened. Bitcoin, which I had invested all my money in, lost a lot of value overnight.
Ronnie!
My partner said, "Don't worry, it'll go back up again." But it didn't. I lost all my money.
Ah! Ow! What the hell?
Cars and whatever I had in the house, that money lasted only
What is that noise anyway?
my money.
No, not the dance school file.
I sold cars and whatever I had in the
Yeah.
house. That money lasted only 3 to 4
Hey, Ronnie, do it again.
That money should have lasted me 3 or 4 years, but I had gotten a lot and stopped even
What the?
have the same
Oh my god.
I moved back to my mom's house. Have the same
Oh.
cupcake. I